Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. In this video, we will discuss the small caps on our radar. First, I hope that you've been watching our last few profiles. Several of our more recent ones have gone on to make strong short-term double-digit moves. Our last one, in particular, was an exciting one. We have another company that is fresh to our following. We have never encountered this ticker before, but after taking a quick look at it, we all agree that this is a company you need to start your research on right away. Pull up NRSN. NRSN is already collaborating with world-renowned names like Mass General Hospital and Harvard Medical School. NRSN looks to be in the midst of exploding off recent lows after finding support. NeuroSense Therapeutics is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focusing on the discovery and development of targeted innovative therapeutics for neurodegenerative diseases. NeuroSense was founded in 2017 by Alan Ben-Noon following a chance meeting with Shay Rishani, an ALS patient. During this meeting, Alan was inspired by Shay, who served as the CEO of a nonprofit organization for ALS, that is Lou Gehrig's disease. Despite Shay not having a physical voice and communicating via eye movement and computer software, the connection was instant. Shay detailed his activities in the ALS field and described the efforts being made to solve the ALS puzzle, leading Alan to team up with world-renowned scientists and colleagues to research and develop an effective drug for ALS patients, establishing NeuroSense. To date, the company has commenced with a breakthrough treatment for ALS that will halt or significantly delay disease progression, as well as developments for Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. NeuroSense is conducting a Phase 2b clinical trial using Prime C in ALS patients. NRSN also commenced research into other possible indications for the platform technology, including Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. Additionally, its R&D team is studying the mechanisms of action and relevant biomarkers for these diseases. NeuroSense's novel drug, Prime C, aims to treat ALS by regulating microRNA synthesis, reducing neuroinflammation, and influencing iron accumulation. Prime C is a novel formulation composed of unique doses of two FDA-approved drugs that aim to inhibit the progression of ALS synergistically. The drug mitigates the degeneration and inflammatory response of motor neurons and has significantly outperformed conventional treatments in a zebrafish model of ALS. NeuroSense's preclinical studies showed outstanding results in zebrafish models of ALS. Prime C was shown to improve motor performance and recover the morphology of motor neurons, neuromuscular junction structures, and microglial cells. Following these promising results, NeuroSense conducted two clinical trials that showed that the drug is safe and tolerable with promising clinical signs. Prime C has received an orphan drug status from the FDA and EMA and is preparing for a robust Phase 2b/3 clinical trial. FDA is the U.S. version and EMA is the European regulatory body. Due to the many shared pathways between neurodegenerative diseases, the hypothesis is that a disease-modifying drug, for one, can lay the foundations for these effective drugs for other neurodegenerative diseases. Therefore, NRSN is working to develop a drug for Alzheimer's based on the foundations of Prime C. The company has initiated the preclinical stage testing Cogniz-C in vitro models representing Alzheimer's disease pathologies. It is now initiating a Phase 2 double-blind placebo-controlled study with 20 Alzheimer's patients. There are many shared pathways between Parkinson's disease and ALS, such as neuroinflammation, protein aggregation, mitophagy, toxicity, oxidative stress, iron accumulation, and dysregulation of mRNAs. Therefore, NRSN is working to develop a drug for Parkinson's based on the foundations of its drug Prime C for ALS. The company has initiated the preclinical stage testing stability in vivo models of Parkinson's, assessing morphological and functional effects, and exploring potential co-development with collaborators that have a core focus on Parkinson's. But don't just take our word for it. Start your research. To read our full report on NRSN, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up. Just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Moving on, CASI, that's Cassie Pharmaceuticals, was a big runner for us last week after the company says it had received a preliminary proposal from its CEO to acquire its entire business operations in China. According to the proposal, all licensing, distribution, and related rights in Asia related to all of Cassie's pipeline products will also be acquired for an aggregate purchase price of $40 million, which shall include the assumption of up to $20 million of debt, the company said. Cassie also said it had entered into a securities purchase agreement with certain investors for a private investment in public equity, PIPE financing, that is expected to result in gross proceeds of about $15 million. You can see the big spike last week. Let's see green candle here on Friday. Let's see if it can continue the momentum this week. Lastly, guys, put VMAR on your radar for this week. The chart looks prime for a move, and the float is just 2.26 million shares. Insiders own over 81% of the company. The company is one of the market leaders in the marine industry's shift towards electric propulsion, offering the pioneering e-motion outboard powertrain system. A lot of chatter on stock twits, especially from guys we follow like Stocks Rockman. I highly recommend you take a look at what they're saying on stock twits. Take a look at the chart and do your research. And as always, this week, good luck to all except for the shorts. I will also be scanning the pre-market, and if I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. However, our primary focus is NRSN. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube or sign up at insiderfinancial.com. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Sure Thing Media for sponsoring this video on NRSN. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion and for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.